Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable or disable themed icons on your Samsung, Google Pixel, or Android home screen. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and select the Settings gear button. And you want to scroll down again and select the Wallpaper and Style button. And then you want to select the home screen button up at the top. And where it says themed icons, if you want to enable themed icons on the home screen, just toggle this to the on position. Otherwise, you can disable them by clicking inside the oval one more time, and that'll turn it off. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.